Ever taken a photo and there's a big shadow from your phone in it? This usually happens when we take daily shot under a lamp or ceiling light. The light casts a shadow of the phone onto the subject and make it super annoying. Luckily, your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has a smart fix built right in. Let me show you how to erase shadows from your photos using AI. First, open Gallery app and then select the photo you want to clean up. Swipe up on the photo. If the phone detects a shadow, you will see a button labeled Erase Shadows. Tap the button. Your phone will automatically erase the detected shadow using AI. If you are happy with the result, tap Save. And then you can tap Save to save the edited photo, or tap Save Copy to save the edited photo as a new image and keep the original one. As the example, we will tap Save. And that's it. So given to the function, this feature is really helpful for daily photos like product shot or notes under a lamp. You don't need editing skill, just a few taps and the photo looks much cleaner. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.